Hello everybody, it's me, Kumu. Nah, you don't need to call me Kumu. For the next 3 weeks, I'd like to know what you'd like to learn in Hawaiian. So let me give you some options. A, the Hawaiian word of the day for 21 days. B, Hawaiian moon phases, Hawaiian calendar. C, the numbers, counting, and pronunciation in Hawaiian. Or number 4 is something else. So go ahead and put the comments below. Or you can also talk to me in person if you see me. So what happened was my daughter and I, we were at Taco Bell, we parked, and I jumped out to go get us food. And when I came back, this lady was standing outside of the car near to where my daughter was sitting inside the car. And as I passed by the lady, she was like, "Oh, hi, Kumu." And I was like, "Oh, hi." And she said, "Oh, I watch your channel and I'm learning to Olelo Hawaii, speak Hawaiian because I dance hula and I want to know what the songs are all about." And I was like, "Oh, right on, mai ka'i." And then when I got in the car and we left and drove away, I asked my daughter, I said, "Ho'oli, the lady went to talk to you?" And she was like, "Yup." And I said, "What she said?" And she said, she asked her, "Oh, is that your mom?" And my daughter said, "Yes." And she said, "Does she Olelo Hawaii, speak Hawaiian?" And my daughter said, "Yes." And she said, "Oh, does she have a YouTube channel?" And my daughter said, "Yes." And so I really appreciate it. If you see me, come up to me, talk to me in person. My kids know what I'm doing. They understand. They're very respectful. And also, if you don't see me, go ahead and put the comments below, like I mentioned, or also take the poll on my YouTube channel. And I will see you next time. Aloha.